Hi guys, welcome back to Passionate About RC. It's going to be a really quick unboxing of our first delivery Traxxas Ford Bronco 2021 edition. It's just arrived in the store today. It's going to be on sale today as well for anyone coming actually into the store. It's in-store only purchase for the first 30 days on the first delivery program set up by Traxxas. So straight away I'm going to just quickly do this unboxing. I'm not really going to talk through it because we're obviously keeping this car in store for demo. So I'll probably do more in-depth videos with this once we've got our head around everything. There's quite a lot of upgrades and option parts that we want to put onto this. First thing is your transmitter. That's your transmitter. And here it is, we've got the orange one in the box, look at that. Let's put the box down here. Got your normal pack of bits, we'll open that bit later. And there's your car. Wow, that looks awesome. It's gorgeous. So, first thing we need to do is take all this off. Quite gently. These have been really well wrapped up. And rightly so. We're not going to need any of this, keeping this. Gorgeous. Got a little bit more of the wrapper on the bottom of the body there. That's all looking good. Wing mirrors pop out. Oh, another bit of film here. That just looks awesome. It actually looks a little bit more orange in person than it does on the video. clipless body mounts. released under the wheel arches. Which I'm going to attempt for my first time to unclip. So I'm just feeling, I can't quite feel it. Where is it? Ah, right up in the arches here. Push in. Quite tight. Is that the right bit I'm pushing? Oh, they are tight. My fingers are a little bit slippery, so do you know what? Oh, there we go, sorry. I've done it, but not pushed through the hole. There we go. So there's a couple of clips, a little bit fiddly for the first time because you're not sure how hard you need to push. That's your body off. Does look good. I'm interested to see what the red one looks like next. We've got them as well. Hand painted these bodies as well, so they're hand finished. That's cool. There you go, there's your clipless release. Can't wait to test this thing out. Telemetry expander to fit onto this one as well. There it is. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing. What we're going to do now is get the rest all out on for display and sale. Get some more photographs up on the Instagram channel, and hope to do a next video shortly with the car running. May even do a video for installation of the telemetry expander and GPS module and the Bluetooth module as well. May actually do that so that we can kind of show how we install those parts. Some people do try and rush fitting those things and they kind of end up hitting troubles, so I may just do that methodically, run through the whole video from start to finish, and hope that that helps out some people and helps them understand actually what works within the wireless link module, what extra features you can get out of the car if you want to bolt some more pieces on. It's a special car, so don't see why it's not worth putting some more special parts on it. The winch is one thing, the light kit is another. You can get all your indicators, reverse and brake lights, everything. So that's going to be high-low beam. That's going to be pretty special once that's fitted on too. So yeah, really a nice car. Thanks guys, see you soon.